No cat food to be found on the deck tonight. I wonder what's on the table. Ha! I don't smell any anchovy pizza. Or even 3-day-old tuna casserole. Hey, Ralphie boy, come on over here. It's safe. Looks like squirrel food or something. Ha! 15 million years of evolution and I'm down to eating bird seed. I sure hope old Ralphie boy doesn't see me eating this crap. Even worse than I thought, not even sunflower seeds left. Yep, I'm a loser.
Wait, a raccoon! Nope. Not after the opossum event from last night. Discretion is a better part of valor.